All right, between the two questions that you can choose from, this first one is a little bit easier. Camilla brings 50 pencils to school. She gives each of her 6 classmates an equal number of pencils. Will she give any leftover pencils to her teacher? How many? So we have 50 divided by 6, or you can write it as 50 divided by 6. Either way, you have to figure out how many times does 6 go into 50. You can look at the chart and get close. There's 48. 54 is too big, so 48 would be as close as we can get. That would be 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. Subtract, and there's going to be 2 left over. 8 remainder 2. She will give 8 to each. So 8 pencils to each classmate, and there will be 2 left over to give to the teacher. Samantha brings 520 pencils to school. This is choice 2. After she gives to each of her 61 classmates an equal number of pencils, will she give any leftover pencils to her teachers? So we have 520 divided by 61. 520 divided by 61. Now, if you use a calculator, you're going to get a decimal. So what I'm looking for is, do you have the correct remainder? We saw before that if we're estimating 50 divided by 6 goes approximately 8 times. So I'm thinking 61 probably goes approximately 8 times into this. So 8 times 61 is 488. And I can check that. 8 times 1 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Now when I subtract, 0 subtract 2, I can't do that. 10 subtract 2, 8 is 2. 1 subtract 8, I can't do that. 11 subtract 8 is 3. And then 0. So there's 32 remaining. So we would have 8 remainder 32. So Samantha would give 8 pencils to each classmates and 32 to the teacher.